Promotion Express bonus for qualification. The new Presidential Council and Consumer Leadership Council makes an unprecedented proposal. More than 200 units for each of you. You are looking for a way to increase your income? Then right now you need to turn on your activity to the maximum and to take advantage of this profitable offer of 2020. It is very simple. Let's figure it out. In order to receive bonuses within the promotion, it is necessary to update your status or increase it, attract new partners to the first line, and for a certain number of days, help them achieve the required ranks. A great way to get an additional bonus in addition to the main rewards according to the company's bonus plan, isn't it? Moreover, you have enough time to fulfill the conditions. The promotion kicked off on March the 30th and runs through December the 31st. As a result, you grow helping your partners raise their statuses and get additional bonuses, the size of which depends only on you. This is a great occasion to throw a party. Talk about the opportunity with personal partners for business development. Let's consider it in more detail. Agent, a bonus of 350 units for fulfilling all conditions. For the consultant, the bonus is 800 units, and if you fulfill the conditions of the agent, you will receive another 350 units, a total of 1,150 units. Manager, the bonus is equal to 1,700 units, and you have the opportunity to fulfill the conditions for agents and consultants, while receiving additional bonuses of 350 and 800, a total of 2,850 units. Leader Manager, 4,000 unit bonus. Fulfill the conditions for consultants and managers and get 800 and 1,700 units, respectively, a total of 6,500 units. Top Manager, a bonus of 8,000 units. Follow the conditions for consultants and above and get 800, 1,700 and 4,000 units, respectively, a total of 14,500 units. Vice President, the bonus can be 15,000 units. Follow the conditions for managers and above, and 1,700, 4,000, 8,000 units will become yours. The total bonus can be 28,700 units. At the presidential level, there are two great opportunities. There has never been such an incentive to enter the higher ranks. The first condition for presidents, the bonus can be 50,000 units, 20,000 for 2 new vice presidents, plus 30,000 for 3 more. Fulfill the conditions for managers and above and get also their bonuses, 1,700, 4,000, 8,000 and 15,000 units. The total bonus can be 78,700 units. The second condition for presidents, the bonus can be 134,000 units, 62,000 for 2 new presidents, plus 72,000 for another 3. If you fulfill the conditions from the manager and above, you will get 1,700, 4,000, 8,000, 15,000, 20,000 or 50,000 units. The total bonus can be 212,700 units. Challenge your capabilities. Unleash your inner potential, and more than 200,000 units will become yours. We trade your bright results for amazing bonuses. For detailed requirements and terms, see our website. Good luck!